Want to know how to restore your Waze account? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy steps which might help you in restoring or backing up or retrieving your account. So it's super simple, so let's get right into it. Now first off, simply open up your Waze application. And now if you haven't logged in or if you were on your guest account in Waze, unfortunately there is no way to retrieve your data or your account if you were on your guest account. So you need an account. So for that, just simply select this hamburger icon right here. And now once you're there, just simply select view profile on Hey Wazer. Now just simply select register this account. And now just simply select login since you want to restore it. Just simply select continue. And now you can just simply log in with Google or log in with email just like this. So if you are having trouble, just simply select this having trouble icon. Now you can just report an issue. So this could vary in different ways. Just simply choose a topic that is maybe no account found, can't verify email, or can't log in. So you can just simply select resources or just submit a ticket that you don't want to perform. Now you can just submit a form and the moderators will get back to you with the issue and fix it. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.